So, somebody decided to call Triple B's out on YouTube in their video. So, Newbq, I'm coming at you. So, today, I get to knock out two birds with one stone, because not only was I called out in somebody else's video,
I decided today I'm going to call somebody out on YouTube. I'm going to call somebody out. I'm going to call my boy Triple B's Barbecue. I'm going to put his information down here. I'm calling you out. I haven't seen you do a pork butt yet. I want to see you do a pork butt and see what you can come up with and see if it's as good as mine. Okay, so this is the official call out right here, right now. Triple B's Barbecue.
Cute. Very cute.
You messed up big, mister.
I mean, Newbq. Nah, for real, y'all go check out Newbq at his channel. I'm gonna link his stuff. Not only that, I have a couple of kids, both having babies in September. With that being said, my son's is tomorrow, so I am gonna go ahead and prep these tonight, and we're gonna do an overnight cook with these. So let's get them out the wrapper. Stick right there. Down here in the South, we leave these on. All that flavor, I ain't getting rid of that. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna make some scores. And what this is gonna do is create these perfectly rendered fat squares that you can actually pick off. And if you like bacon, now I don't cook in competition. I don't cook to compete, I cook to eat, you heard me. And we're just gonna do this one. I'm gonna fast forward through this one. We're going in with Meat Church Holy Voodoo and Sucklebuster's Hog Waller. Both of these are my go-to. This got a little jalapeno in it, so it's got that little bit of spice. This right here is just a sweet paprika type rub that is good for all barbecue. Throw this on there. I got a little bit of wind today, so y'all bear with me. Put a little bit on there like that. Some on this side as well. I can't go much higher than that because the wind is gonna take it away. Just like that. Come in with this hog waller. Press it in. Never rub, just press. Flip them over. I promise you. Gonna get in there. Put it on there. When you're doing pork butt, do not skimp on the seasoning. Pork butt is probably the easiest barbecue to make. It's a long cook. It's perfect for a beginner on a long cook. This will be going on the Pitboss pellet grill, 1150. We will be putting this on probably at about 250 degrees. We're gonna let it go all night long. Hey, but look, if you haven't already, or if this is your first time on my channel, look, I appreciate you coming through. Why don't you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Turn that notification bell on, because we do this all the time, man. Newbq, this Southern Smoke coming. So I'm in my garage. It's 3:30 in the morning. I ain't trying to wake everybody up. If I do this out there, somebody gonna wake up. We got both the pork butts on the pellet smoker. It's almost at 250 degrees. I'm just gonna let it go, man. I'm gonna go back to bed. I'll bring y'all back whenever we go out there and mess with it a little bit. But other than that, we're just gonna let it go. Probably about 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, just the way it sits, man. Let that bark set up a little bit, and we go from there. And we're back. So now it's 11 o'clock. So from 3 to 11, that's what, 7 hours? It ought to have a pretty good look on it. I haven't done anything with it. I opened it up one time. I hadn't even spritzed it. So I'm not really going by a temperature. I'm going by a look. I want to see how it looks. I don't really go by temperature when it goes to wrapping. Let's get in there and see what it looked like. They got a nice little color on them. The fat's done turned a little yellow. It's rendering, but I really want a little more color on there. Probably gonna take it for another couple of hours. I want to be able to push this and my finger go right through it. This need to be sticky, so this has still got a little ways to go. This is still kind of hard, so we want to take it a little bit longer. Close it back up. As you've seen, I mean, it still looks kind of moist. There's no hard edges as far as like the bark forming really hard or crusty or anything like that, so I'm not even gonna worry about hitting it with my pig sprayer. It smells like bacon out here. Anyway, we'll bring y'all back when I go to check on it again, which will be about another 2 hours, which will make that 1 o'clock? Yeah, 1 o'clock. It is now an hour later, and I can't wait no longer. I have to go ahead and wrap these. I have places to be, so we got to speed this cook up. But it is looking mighty good, and these are squishing in like, I mean, just finger just going right through. Just take some pats of butter. We'll spritz first before I put the rub on there. I got a little ahead of myself. Put a little rub. And what I'm using is NOTORIOUS P.I.G. by PS Seasoning. And then I'm also going to put a little brown sugar. Not much, just a little bit. I'm gonna wrap this tight. Wrap it tight, like you're swaddling a baby. There. And we're gonna go one more. Try to fold everything up under it. And you got you a nice little tight package. Put the smoker up to about 350 and let it finish its way out. Find the bone. There's the bone right there. I always like putting the bone towards where the heat's coming from. There's the bone there on that one. We're gonna throw these right here. Let them finish off. I've got the temperature up to about 350. It's on its way up. I figure in a couple of hours, man, this ought to be ready. I'll bring y'all back when we cook. I can do this without it falling apart. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. God. All right, you ready? Bone. Ready? I'd say it's good. I'm having a granddaughter, y'all. I'm having a granddaughter. Y'all stay tuned to see what I'm having tomorrow for my daughter. We having a girl, we having a girl. She gonna be spoiled as hell too.